If you want to enable or disable keyboard haptics on your OnePlus 13 5G, so first we'll open up your settings. After that, we have to scroll down to our system and updates. Here it is. Now we gotta find our keyboard and input method. Press manage keyboards, choose your Gboard option. Great. Here, let's tap preferences. Then we have to scroll down and we have to choose our haptic feedback on key press. So this option is enabled by the default. If you want to turn it off, simply tap on the switch, it will be turned off. To have your haptic feedback turned on the switch again, now press vibration strength on key press, and here you can choose the strength of it. And basically that's it. I hope this video was helpful. Thank you so much for watching. Have a great day, and please consider subscribing to our channel.